As peak rental season approaches, it's crucial for landlords to stay proactive in managing property upkeep to ensure tenant satisfaction and preserve the value of their investments. Here are some key tips to keep in mind. Firstly, regular maintenance checks are essential. Take the time to inspect your rental properties thoroughly, both inside and out, to identify any potential issues before they escalate. This proactive approach can help you address maintenance concerns promptly and prevent them from becoming more significant problems down the line. Another important aspect of property upkeep during peak rental season is ensuring that all essential systems and appliances are in good working condition. This includes HVAC systems, plumbing, electrical wiring, and kitchen appliances. By keeping these systems well maintained, you can minimize the risk of unexpected breakdowns and provide a comfortable living environment for your tenants. Additionally, don't overlook the importance of curb appeal. The exterior of your rental property is the first thing that potential tenants will see, so it's essential to keep it looking neat and well maintained. This may involve tasks such as mowing the lawn, trimming hedges, repainting the exterior, and cleaning the driveway and walkways. A well-maintained exterior can attract more tenants and command higher rental rates. Furthermore, communication is key during peak rental season. Stay in regular contact with your tenants to ensure that their needs are being met and any maintenance issues are being addressed promptly. By maintaining open lines of communication, you can build trust with your tenants and foster positive relationships that can lead to long-term tenancies. Lastly, consider enlisting the help of a professional property management company like Alpine Property Management, Kansas City. Our experienced team can handle all aspects of property upkeep, from routine maintenance checks to emergency repairs, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your rental business. With our expertise and dedication to customer service, you can rest assured that your properties are in good hands. Additionally, it's essential to stay organized and keep detailed records of all maintenance activities and repairs conducted on your rental properties. This documentation can serve as valuable evidence in case of disputes with tenants or insurance claims related to property damage. Moreover, consider implementing preventive maintenance measures to address potential issues before they arise. This proactive approach can save you time and money in the long run by reducing the likelihood of costly repairs and minimizing disruptions to your tenants' lives. Furthermore, prioritize safety measures to protect both your tenants and your investment. This may include installing smoke detectors, carbon monoxide detectors, and fire extinguishers in all rental units, as well as ensuring that all electrical systems are up to code and properly maintained. Finally, don't overlook the importance of regular inspections and property assessments. By conducting periodic walkthroughs of your rental units, you can identify any maintenance issues or safety hazards and address them promptly. This proactive approach can help you maintain high tenant satisfaction and retention rates while preserving the value of your investment properties. Managing property upkeep during peak rental season requires a proactive approach, open communication with tenants, and attention to detail. By following these tips and considering the assistance of a professional property management company like Alpine Property Management, Kansas City, you can ensure that your rental properties remain in top condition and provide a positive living experience for your tenants. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights on property management, and contact Alpine Property Management, Kansas City for all your property management needs.